Collaborative can-do attitude. That's one of the things that impresses me most about CBT is really that can-do attitude goes across the entire organization. I've never heard anyone within CBT say, we can't do that, or I can't do that. It's always an approach of, yeah, we can do that. Let's figure out how to do it. And so that has always impressed me, not only since I've worked here, but even before. I knew CBT before coming to CBT when I worked at Hewlett Packard Enterprise, and that same value resonated back then. I chose to work for CBT much because of that can-do attitude and the core values that I talked about before. CBT had a great reputation in the channel when I was at Hewlett Packard Enterprise as being a company that was not just focused on selling widgets. Kelly knew her from before, and she was really focused on creating solutions and trying to create value and uniqueness within the industry, and that attracted me to CBT. We work to really identify and collaborate with the best breed partners and OEMs. As a domain expert integrator, just like a system integrator, we bring those various partners together to deliver a solution. The difference is the domain expertise, and it's just like it sounds. We bring expertise in a variety of domains not because we say we're experts in it, but we've hired people who are experts in those areas. And that's really where the expertise comes, and why we can label ourselves as the domain expert integrator. Other companies can't do that. They approach IT/OT integration or digital convergence from one area. For example, a lot of companies that say they do it, they're coming to it from strictly an IT perspective, and then they're saying that they can drive digital convergence. Well, that you can't if you're just coming to it from an IT perspective. Conversely, it's the same thing if you're coming to it from just an OT perspective. You can't drive digital convergence if you just have expertise in operational technology. So the way CBT approaches it truly is unique in the industry. I think it's one of the challenging aspects of the role, and for everybody within solution services, is there's so many companies out there that bring very unique technology, which is great. There's a ton of them out there. The challenge becomes, okay, this technology is really cool, but how does it fit into our solutions and what we're trying to deliver to our customers? If something is a very cool technology, but it's standalone and it really is a widget, that's usually not the best approach. We need to work with partners that are not only best of breed, but their technology is a viable technology, and it fits into the solutions that we deliver and the business value that we're going to be delivering for our customers. And one of the things that is maybe not as obvious is the culture of the company. It's really beneficial to have a company that has similar values to what CBT does. The collaboration, there's several smaller companies that we are working with, and the fact that they come to the table and they want to collaborate with us on solving problems is just incredible. And so making sure that there's a similar set of core values is important also. The biggest one right now is augmented reality and the value it brings to a company, whether it's part of a connected worker solution, part of a training methodology, or just, let's say, an add-on to the manufacturing process. Augmented reality is really going to change the way we all experience life and do business. And so that's probably one of the most significant ones. Artificial intelligence and the advancements in AI are going to significantly change things also. So think about video analytics and let's say drones and the ability of a drone to take pictures, and then we actually are able to inference on those, do modeling and then inference at the edge on those images to derive some value, notice anomalies, take corrective actions, or take some action on those anomalies. So AI is becoming more and more part of every company's business strategy. It's not just the Fortune 50. It's everybody, that there's going to be a way to leverage AI in day-to-day business to drive better business value. And then advancements in compute, things that NVIDIA is doing as an example, or AMD. It used to be compute was really restricted by Moore's law, and now compute is taking significant jumps forward in speed and performance, and it's enabling a lot of new technologies to come to the forefront, AI, for example, or augmented reality. So I guess those would be the three top things that excite me right now.